In today's video, I'll show you guys how to fix widescreen issues, black bars, and crashes while playing NFS Most Wanted in HD graphics at smooth 60 FPS. All you have to do is check my video description for this fix. Select the download option and it will start downloading. Select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now you need to navigate to the game folder. The default game location is C drive, program files x86, EA games, NFS Most Wanted. Just drag and drop all these files inside of a game directory. Replace the file in the destination. Select do this for all current items and select continue and launch the game. And now you can enjoy the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.